Being a drug and alcohol counselor isn't for the faint of heart. You have to be fully invested in someone else's recovery to help them get where they need to be. You also take on their struggle to a certain level and the challenges they face with their family members. You might not expect it, but there are some fantastic benefits to this rewarding line of work. Today we're going to look at several of them so you can decide if drug and alcohol counseling might be right for you. Helping people. The best part of working as an addiction counselor is getting the chance to help countless patients overcome their illness. There's probably a reason that this type of job appeals to you, and we're guessing it has something to do with the need to help others. Your work will always make a difference in someone's life, and there's nothing more rewarding than that. Overcoming addiction is one of the hardest things someone can do, so they're going to need all the support and counseling you can provide. You have to be all in when you decide to do this job, but that's what many counselors love about it. Learning every day. Spending every day alongside different people at different recovery stages will give you rare insight into how the human mind works. Addiction is an illness that affects many people, and you're going to get a daily practical education on how it works. You won't walk into your first counseling job knowing precisely what to do with each case. Gaining new experiences every day will help you develop throughout your career so you feel comfortable assisting people in different situations. Scheduling. Many drug and alcohol counselors get into this kind of work because they thrive in unpredictable scenarios. You're likely not going to experience the monotony of a regular 9-to-5 desk job because you'll be working with unique people that have unique problems. No 2 days as an addiction counselor will look identical because your patients are always experiencing new challenges that you'll help them get through. There are still new challenges to overcome, but that can be extremely rewarding, both mentally and spiritually, for everyone involved. Personal growth. You're going to be thrown into the fire when you start a counseling job. No amount of education can fully prepare you for the stories you'll hear and the hardships people are going through. That being said, this is the kind of job that will lead to profound personal growth the more you do it. In many cases, you'll find yourself becoming very attached to your patients' recoveries. In some, you might find even lasting relationships with those you've counseled. It's a difficult job, but it's something that can reward you personally in new ways every single day. If these job benefits sound perfect for you, you should consider becoming a certified drug and alcohol counselor. At InterCoast colleges, we provide our students with the practical and educational skills required to enter this dream career. The Substance Use Disorder Counseling Program will help you communicate with individuals and families, facilitate various kinds of counseling groups, help you equip clients with coping skills, teach you how to manage case records, and provide you with culturally competent counseling techniques, among other things. Having a CCAPP or CAADE certification will allow you to work as a counselor in California. Contact us today for more information on this program. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.